Monitors are a special type of modules used to monitor devices at specific intervals, and then to report any problems that have occurred inside the device or with certain services within the selected device. Each monitor automatically runs every 5 minutes. Now, you can, of course, run the monitor manually using the appropriate action in the table. In order to assign the monitor to a device, go to the Monitors section, presenting the list of monitors assigned to the selected device. To assign a new monitor, enter the Assign Monitor to Device form. Then, select the type of a monitor you're interested in the Select the Monitor Type field. After you have assigned the monitor to a device, you need to set the monitor configuration. One of the predefined monitors is Ping Monitor, which verifies if the device is available. The configuration of the monitor consists in determining the value of the warning threshold in milliseconds, as well as specifying the host name or IP address that will be monitored. If the warning threshold is exceeded, the monitor status is set to Problem, and the system returns the corresponding error. In case the device is available in a timely manner, the monitor status will be set to Up. Otherwise, the status will be set to Down. The next monitor in the system is Port Monitor, responsible for tracing the traffic on the selected network port. In case of exceeding the limits, it notifies the appropriate administrator. TCP Monitor checks the host on the port for the response that will be returned. The response is matched to a regular expression for correctness and used to determine the monitor status. Additionally, the system offers the possibility to verify the connection using the IPMI protocol. The verification is carried out by the IPMI Connection monitor that regularly checks whether the connection is properly established. You can assign any number of monitors to a single device. Some of them can be assigned multiple times, such as Port Monitor or TCP Monitor. This way, you can monitor several interfaces as well as host names or IP addresses selected in the configuration on a single server.